In this video, I fixed my driver's side automatic sliding door on my Toyota Sienna 2020 third generation. As you can see, there are broken cables and this door does not slide all the way open. In my research, this is a common issue on third generation Toyota Siennas. My 2020 model may have slightly less or different steps to fix than previous years. The first step you'll want to take is turn off the power to the sliding doors. Here is a preview of the broken part on the top versus the new replacement part on the bottom. See the affiliate links in the description below for parts and tools. In this step, I removed the front anchor. There is a rubber shoulder piece you need to slide out of the way. To remove the clip, you need to press it on the sides and slide it down. It may be tricky to see or figure it out, but it should come out easy. Next, I remove the power window button. There are trim removal tools made for cars, but I just used what I had lying around, such as this putty knife. Next, I remove the side door trim, which are just held in by clips. Here you can see the points where they're held in by clips. You should now be able to see the broken cable assembly that's causing the issue on your door. In this step, I remove the window panel that's in the way. It's held in by a clip on the outside that you can pop out. You just need to move it out of the way so you can get to the bolts. I use a combination of sockets, ratchets, spinner tools, adapters, whatever it takes to get the bolts out. There are 3 bolts you need to remove from the top side near the front anchor. There are 3 screws you need to remove at the bottom of the assembly. and just a few more bolts at the top by the window panel. With all those bolts removed, you should be able to remove the broken cable assembly. Here, I'm unboxing the new part so you can see what the new part compares to the old broken part. One mistake I made was removing the sleeve from the end of the assembly. You want to keep the sleeve on because it will make it easier to put it back into the car. Here, I'm putting the new cable assembly in. Put back all the bolts and screws that you took out from the previous assembly, and then you can tighten them at the end. Once all the bolts and screws are back and tightened on the cable assembly, you can put the top window panel back in place. One part we didn't remove yet was the rear anchor of the broken cable assembly. You need to open your rear windows and you'll find the rear anchor under a little tab. It's a little hard, but by feeling it, you can push in the clips and remove the clip by pulling it towards the back of the car. Once the rear anchor of the old assembly is removed, you can put the rear anchor of the new assembly into the same place by pulling out the cable and sliding the clip in to the same spot. Next, you'll want to slide the front anchor in. This may be a little bit more difficult because there will be tension on the cable. Once the front anchor is in, you'll need to slide the rubber piece back into the corner elbow area. Before putting everything else back together, turn the power to your sliding doors back on and give it a try. Hopefully, your doors should automatically open and close. Now just put back in your side door panel by aligning the pins to the ones on the door and pushing it back into place. Once your side door panel is in, you can reconnect your power windows. You're done. Give it a final test. Hopefully your doors automatically open and close again. If you found this video helpful, I would really appreciate it if you could like, subscribe, or comment in the video below. It'll be helpful for this channel and to support other how-to videos in the future. Thank you.